Well, I just bought a Hyundai Sonata. I think it's a 2007, 2006, somewhere in there. And she has the right amount of miles on her, thoroughly broken in, airbag light illuminated, all the good stuff. Driving on a donut. But the AC is ice cold. This is a real quick video on this 2007 Hyundai Sonata that I bought a few days ago. I actually bought it from my neighbor. He got a new car and I told him I'd give him more than the wrecking yard would give him. It's definitely a little rough. Had a spare tire on the front, so I moved the spare to the back, and it's got the original wheel and tire in the trunk. I'm going to leave that for the next guy. This is just going to be a quick rehoming, if you will. Mechanic special, what have you. The interior is not all ripped up or anything. It's a little dirty, but you know, that's to be expected with a 330,000 mile interior. It's got the typical creature comforts that you'd expect in a mid-2000s Hyundai Sonata. The standard heater, CD player, AM, FM, MP3. It's got a sunroof, and the sunroof does work. That's kind of cool. But 330,514 miles on this car. Start her up real quick. Airbag's the only warning light that stays on. Needs some gas, but no check engine light. It's got the Hyundai V6 3.3 liter engine. I think it'll make someone a decent little project car. I mean, you get it a fender and fix some oil leaks and stuff, and buy it a new tire for the rim that's in the trunk, and get a little detail on it, and you'd have a decent little runabout car. Personally, if I were to fix up this car and drive it myself, I would probably buy it a couple tires, a fender, replace some gaskets under the hood, you know, maybe change the steering rack, give it a detail, and just drive it. And you know, who knows, maybe there's another 30,000-40,000 miles in this car, who knows. I mean, maintenance is key. You know, you just take care of it, keep your oil changed, and, you know, I've seen cars go long, long time.